The Falcon is equipped with 320 horsepower motors and the grinding disc adopts planetary rotation. Grinding width can reach 2,160 mm. High construction efficiency and excellent grinding effect. The machine head is equipped with a hydraulic lifting system, which makes it very convenient to replace grinding discs and further improves construction efficiency. Paired with a remote operating system, the entire construction process is easy and efficient. The front end is equipped with dual lighting, and construction can still be carried out in low light conditions. The walking system of the entire machine is equipped with dual servo drive motors, which have a straight line and are not easy to deviate, and the steering is flexible. Falcon, a solid guarantee for your construction progress.